Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. And good evening. As tonight I am going to be continuing my material stuff. Felt like continuing it while I still have the new computer for the time being before I have to send it out. And then go back to the old one where I won't be able to work on this for a bit again. Yeah, I decided to get some work done on this this thing and maybe come a little closer to completing it at some point. You know, in the new year. But in the meantime, what I can do is copy you. Share the link in Discord. Live streams.
Because, and here's the best part, they're made with real truffle. So whether you start
Why
with truffle pizza with garlic sauce,
does it have the wrong thumbnail in that link?
Pizza or our truffle cheese. The important
what?
thing is to start truffling. Try our new truffle menu today.
Hold on, what?
Place your order at panago.com.
Why is it?
You can find
Hold on.
your favorite artist concerts on Spotify.
I swapped the thumbnail.
Tap the button to see a list
That is not the thumbnail I selected.
of live and virtual events.
What the shit? YouTube? Why did... What the shit? I mean, whatever. It's not that big of a deal. But... Yeah, when I go into my content drawer... So somehow my previous video got copyright struck despite me doing only string beats. Oh well, okay, I'll deal with that later. Anyway, setting up material layer blend stuff. So currently we have, we need noise. So let's make a new noise. Noise controls. And the noise controls we need are these. So, quick. I have to reset all this up. Okay, so I need... most of these are going to be... Why the hell is it opening down here? Oh, there we go. Weird. Okay, noise scale. Voice clamp max. Clamp min. Might as well copy the word noise because it'll be for everything. Contrast. Okay, these are all zeros. This is extra contrast, right? This is submask, mask, fall off, 3D noise. Yeah, this is extra contrast. I shouldn't have closed that. Oh well. Yeah, noise extra contrast. And then noise max and min. It's also a good time to reorder this. I can't do these. As checkboxes, that's fine. Let's reorder these. Use min and max, and then I'll do min and max for clamps. Then I'll do. So that seems first the scale, min and max for the noise. And then clamp it if you want. Then offset it. Maybe offset should be scale then offsets. No, normally when you're doing scales, you're not going to want to do offsets. Now let's keep the offsets down here. Yeah, that's fine. But then let's change up the order on these guys to be the same. So what I want to do is move the stuff around, right? So we want to move, yeah, min and max below scale. So currently it's at 32. Where is scale? $30. So if I do 31, all right, but it's going to be max and min because it's alphabetical. So in that case, let's do this. Let's do 20, and then I can order these the way I want. 21, 22, and then if I want to, right, then I have clamp, min, and max. Then I can do clamp. Yeah, there's clamp max. So this would be 24 and 23. To get these guys matching. There are min max, clamp min max, max clamp min max. Then I want to move the extra contrast below the offsets. Yep. So let's move this to 33, and variation will be the last thing at 34. Although alphabetically 33 is fine. Yep, there we go. So now these match. I like that a lot more.
Get ready to hit the road
Awesome.
this winter
Okay.
with Applewood Auto Group. Our winter-ready health check is only
Okay. We're good here. So let's implement it.
Plus, bring in a winter
So
coat
let's
for
go to our
someone
blueprint
in need.
and
Get a free
get this
coolant
set
check.
up.
Only at
So
Applewood
we
Auto
want to
Group.
get this set up with material layer blend. Layer mask controls, layer blend mask controls.
Shop our holiday collection at Bosley's and fill
So
your
we
stockings
want
with
a
goodies and your
noise.
heart with love. Visit
Noise
your local
controls.
Bosley's and bosleys.ca.
And this is S noise controls. And alphabetically, libel control should not belong there.
Ted Bundy. Catch a rare glimpse into the mind's methods and madness.
Yeah, that's
History's most
correct.
notorious murderers in the podcast
There you go.
Serial Killers. Join us as we
Okay,
dive
so
deep
now
into their
we can go
psychology
into our
and
blueprint,
explore their upbringings to find out why they couldn't suppress.
recompile it,
Follow the
Okay,
Spotify
this is
YouTube
back.
podcast Serial Killers.
and now I can go into my graph. I don't need the mask controls, these controls. Layer blend controls. Okay, so there's our noise controls. So let's move these around real quick. I'm going to reorder them. So you are coming up. Yeah, because yeah, that's correct. Then this one's going here. This is correct. Correct. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we need to do noise controls. So let's break these. Now, the noise controls are going to be unique, right? Because, yeah, I don't have a... Yeah, they're going to be unique. Okay. We can make a unique setup for it. Do I want to grab one of the other controls for now? We grab these. Yeah, let's grab this. What do I have the index? Oh yeah, index. Yeah, I need any index. This is all good. Yeah, copy. Paste. Oh, I need to, right. I didn't add the same checkboxes I have for everything else, which is the override controls. Override noise controls. There we go. Save. Recompile. Sweet. So now we can go ahead and use that as our condition. That is going to go there. And then all of this I can collapse into a function. There you go. Noise controls. Actually, no. Let's not collapse it yet. Let's first plug in everything. That'll be easier. Scale. Some in. Nice. Admin. How many am I going to need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perfect. I'll just grab all of these. Okay. So then we have here look at max. Noise offset X and Y. Oh, did I not? That's why this didn't line up. There you go. Offset X. Offset Y. What do we got next? Noise, extra contrast, and noise variation. Extra contrast. Variation. Yeah, I grabbed an extra one at the end then. Blink, blink. Okay. So now I can collapse all of this. There you go.
Gentlemen, step up your grooming game with Gillette Intimate. Gentle and easy pubic hair you can count
Okay,
on.
so this
The
is
dermatologist-tested product line includes a waterproof
index.
trimmer, a razor engineered to gently shave below the waist, a pubic shave cream and cleanser to prepare your skin,
Override
and a pubic anti-chafe
settings.
stick that protects against irritation.
Um,
Gillette, the best a man can get. Tap the banner to buy now.
okay. Scale. In case I need to reuse this later, it's good to name this. I don't think I will, but still. Okay. So now let's test it. So on this guy, I think I already enabled noise. Yeah, noise breakup is already enabled. So if I go in here, I go noise controls. Oh, noise scale. Should be 1 by default. I hate that I'll just have to recompile afterwards. Okay. Wait, did it save? Let's test this. 3. No, why is noise scale still 2? Oh, it's because I have to re-save this one, right? This and then recompile? That's weird. Okay, well, let's test it. If I overwrite it. It is not overwriting. Hold on. Why? It's enabled. Just to make sure. Okay, so this is working. Noise scale, so it should be no, that's named exactly the same. Just in case, we'll copy the name. So it shouldn't be that. Oh yeah, it's exactly the same. It's a blend parameter. Oh, I'm an index 0. Noise controls. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. So now we can modify this dynamically. Right. Mm-hmm. Excellent. Offset it. Sweet. Play around with the variation, all that. Aha! Okay. And for shits and giggles is my... Oh, I should put in the... Should put these controls in as well. Okay, let's put in panner speeds. Should I put another section here? Animated noise. Let's put a little helper struct. Nice. Animated. Noise panner speed X. Noise panner speed Y. There we go. Noise panner controls. S. Noise animator. Animation controls. I have a little section for panner stuff, and if I add more stuff in here, I'll put more stuff in there.
A cava that is rooted in quality, with grapes only grown in Spain.
Because
so
right now,
Segura Viudes cava, you're not only serving our roots,
save,
you're creating your own. Segura Viudes
save,
cava.
compile. Right, because right now I have a panner, but if I can do. Oh yeah, there we go. So I also need to do this one, which is variation cycle speed. I knew I had one more. Noise variation cycle speed. And the default on that I have as 1. All right. So you just real quick have like a moving effect with a full material if you wanted to. Nice and convenient. Okay, but let's go ahead and set that up in the blueprint. So I'm going to need 3 more. No, where are you? Yeah, here. So from here, what I can do is plug it. I can just plug this in without breaking it, and then break it inside the function. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. S noise animated. Now I guess plug this in and break it here. Yep. Noise spanner speed X. Speed Y. And noise variation single speed. There we go. So now, right, it's back to being slow because I've overwritten it. So now if I go in here, I can change the speeds on these and go backwards, reverse it, make it faster, slower. Really have it fluctuate. I can effectively kill the panner if I wanted to by just putting it at 0, even though it's actually in the background still working. There we go. And because it's still a layered parameter, right, I can go in and just fiddle around with the rest of the controls. Why did it turn... Also, I'm changing the wrong one. There we go. So I can play around now with the color and everything on this. What am I doing on the background that it became why did it turn to black? Oh, it's because gamma's 0 for some reason. Yeah. Probably when I was playing around with it at some point. There we go. Yeah, so now I can change the colors and everything. Cool. So, another controller done. We now have full noise controls that we can override. Awesome. So let's turn those off. So what do we have now? So we have... I want to reorder these to alphabetical or something that makes more sense. But that involves changing all the numbers and everything, and that's such a pain in the butt. Only reason I haven't done it. But now we have noise, check. Fall off, check. RGB masks, checks. Height. Height was the next... Height is going to be an interesting one because height is here and here. And I do kind of need it in both. So right now the height blends, right? You take the texture from... The texture information comes from the layer, but where it goes from the blend, which is why it's split into the two sections. But I guess that's fine. Let's do one then the other. Yeah, let's do one then. Let's do first this one. And then we'll do the blend, which is obviously very simple. What is that? Hold on. Why do I have... Wait. Why are these visible when height blend isn't on? Mm. There's height mask. So if I did that, it's still somewhere. Okay. Where is it still being hooked up? Oh god. Where is it still being used? Height combined. Oh, it's being used still somewhere? That says height mask. That's not height combined.
Feeling stuck on the sidelines?
Hey, watch where you're walking, man.
When life gives you too much to tackle?
No, there's height mask.
You know it's time to play. It's easy to find your next favorite game at Bodog.net. Get the latest sports.
Where? I don't remember where I'm using height combined.
Visit Bodog.net today. Hashtag make a
I
play.
want to say it's somewhere here.
Phoenix.ca is your discreet digital solution for erectile dysfunction. We connect you with a licensed Canadian physician who can prescribe you the treatments you
Yeah,
need.
it goes
Start
here.
your journey by visiting Phoenix.ca.
And because it goes
Rise
here,
again with Phoenix.
Can't get it up? Let me help.
oh, you know what I can do? I can do
Canada's first digital health platform just for men. Phoenix offers
Yeah,
a
let's do
discreet
this.
online solution to help treat
So,
erectile dysfunction. Chat with a licensed Canadian
if height blend is true, it will push the height combined.
Don't
If
wait
it's
anymore.
false,
Visit Phoenix.ca.
just
That's
0.
PHOENIX.ca to start your journey today. Phoenix, rise again.
There we go. That should, yeah, there we go. So now that is off by default. And when I turn on, right now I have my height. And obviously I can control the height on this. So this is where it blends in between. Then it's the low, the high. Sweet. Okay. So that's good now. Let's go ahead in that case and now do the structures. Close all this. I'll get to MLB later. Okay, so let's do the height. Actually, let's reorder this first. So, yeah, the channel is fine. I want the extra contrast down. I want the low and high up. So let's do 30, 31. Do like 20 here. Channel 21. And then the gamma can be 23. So let's see. This reorders. Oh, I need to move the grade. Let's move it to not triplanar. Yeah, high texture. I need to change this to like 10. There you go. height, grade, yes or no. Height, channel. Then we have the gamma, the low, the high, and the extra contrast. Okay. That seems most sensible to me. Okay. Get new structure. Height, layer controls. Override height controls. That is what I call it, right? Yeah. And then I'm gonna need mostly floats. Oh yeah, I need a linear color for that one. Default channel on this is going to be red. No, I don't want alpha. Height, gamma. Default 1. Low is obviously low. High. Oop. Default to 1. And extra contrast is 0. Lovely. So now layer master controls. Height controls. And these I'm going to keep as its own separate thing below, because it's not one of the default ones. Height is a custom one that I've designed. It's not like a default thing, so I'll keep it at the bottom. That seems like would make the most sense. Okay, let's go layer controls. Recompile this. There's our height controls. Any one of these I can just copy. I think these are all the reuse. I could put all of this. Oh no, I can't. I can't because I reuse the color controls in other places. I don't need in other places, right? Yeah, I reuse them here, but I don't need them here. Yep. Never mind. Okay. Maybe I'll just take this. Set vector. Set vector parameter info. This goes in here.
When you serve Segura
That goes
Vidas,
there.
you're serving a cava that's rooted in heritage and tradition, with a commitment to artisanal winemaking and sustainability. A cava that is rooted in quality, with grapes only grown in
Material
Spain.
index.
So the next time you serve Segura Vidas cava,
Boink.
you're not only serving
Boink.
our roots, you're creating your own. Segura Vidas cava. Respect their roots.
Okay. Yeah, that's how that's gonna be. So now I have to get all of these. I have 4 of these, so. So 1. 2. 4. 4. Okay. These are light. Well, reorder this. Okay. Index. Okay. Let's try it. So now if I go material layer controls, go in here, go in height, override. Oh, because these would be on layer 0, not layer 1. Aha. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I can play around with the values here. Awesome. Okay, so that's working wonderfully. Right, and then let's add the blend controls. And then we'll have height. And this is 5.2, so I don't have it automatically displacing, but in 5.3 that'll be the option. for this, we're gonna need just height high and high low. Okay, easy. What order do I have them in the here? Yeah, I have low and high. Okay, good. Okay. Layer blend mesh controls. Height controls. Height blend controls. There you go. Sweet. Okay, let's go add them into the layer blend controls. Compile. At a certain point, I'll give up trying to put these in the exact order that we have them. For now, I haven't given it up, so I continue to do it. Okay, this is height low and height high.
Planning a holiday party? Save time and serve up a feast with PC Express Online Grocery. With PC Express, you can shop online at all your favorite grocery stores, like Real Canadian Superstore, No Frills, Loblaws, and more. Choose delivery to your door or pick up at a store and shop over 100 new President's Choice Insiders Report products online with PC Express. Get ready to wow your guests with the ultimate holiday spread. Click or tap the banner to shop with PC Express.
Okay, so now if we go to our material layer blend for the second layer, blend controls, overwrite them. There we go. So now I can control where it appears. And if I reset this just back to 0 to 1, I can also go into the texture itself. And oh, I'm overwriting the wrong one. No, it's layer 0. Oh, because I'm doing 0 to 1. If I do 0 to 0.5. Because I'm replacing everything basically. Yeah. If I replace everything with white, obviously it's going to be the entire thing is white. But if I do like 0 to 1, then I can go in and either change. I can play around with this. And I can get different effects on this if I want to. Yep. So if I want, I can do just the tops. Or just the bottoms. Yep. Yes, I can do remove the in-betweens, just do the in-betweens. Lots of controls now. Sweet. So height is now good to go. Awesome. So, oh, you know what? I'm not overwriting. I just realized I'm not overwriting the texture itself. I want to override the texture. I forgot about that little bit. That's important to me. So, not the layer blend. Let's go open up the height layer controls. Height texture. That on top. I think that's how I have the blend controls for the RGB stuff, right? Yeah. Basically, what we're going to do is here. Okay, let's find that texture. Object reference, put that on top. So effectively we're going to say, we're going to check if it's valid. Basically, if it does have something in it. If it's not valid, then it just continues on. But if it is valid, then we're going to want to grab set texture parameter info, and then it's going to continue on. And then it is just called height. I should probably change the name on that. It shouldn't be just height. It should be height texture. Compile, save. Yep, there we go. Okay, so now, right, we have the default because we haven't overridden anything. But if I change this to, let's grab a random noise. This should have overwritten the background noise. Wait, yeah. Layer parameter. Oh, it helps if I plug in the texture. It should be. Okay, why is it not? It's not this one. Yeah. So let me double check. Where is my layer blend controls? Where's my mask controls? It is a texture, right? Just texture, yeah. Yeah. It should be working. Let me double check that it's just coming here. Print string. Wait, it's just not. Oh god, did I not plug it in just in general? Yep. Hey Ashwin, welcome in. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Yep, it was stupid mistake. Always is. There we go. There it is. Yeah, so now I can override the noise.
Can't get it up?
Let's just pick a random noise here, and now I can go in here
Canada's first
and
digital health platform
go into the
just
blend.
Phoenix offers a discreet online solution to help treat erectile dysfunction. Chat with a licensed Canadian physician who can help treat your ED with prescription medications. Don't
Also
visit phoenix.ca.
override. Yeah, there we go. Override the settings because I cranked the settings to be different. So now
Phoenix, rise again.
I can play around with the different values on this and basically
for erectile dysfunction. We connect you with a licensed Canadian physician who can prescribe you the
change this
treatments
if I want. So instead, maybe I want 0.5 to 1 so I can have the tops.
Rise again with Phoenix.
There you go. Sweet. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, that I definitely want that. And this is of course per layer. So if I had multiple layers of high blending, I can control this all here. And 5.3 will have this also be automatically displaced. Sweet. Okay, let's turn that. So we can turn off the height blend. Why is height texture still? Why is height texture still showing up? It shouldn't be. Oh, is this the bug? I think I've had this bug before. If I unhook this. Yeah, it's still showing up even though it's not hooked up. And I don't have anywhere else I have a high texture. That is just a bug. Yeah, so now it's gone. If I put this back to high texture. Yeah, so now it's gone. I'm gonna take. Give me that. There you go. White. Put that back. 20. Height. Apply. Now, why is it back? Why? Why? This is a unfortunate bug. Is it because... Well, no, that's not high texture. It's high... Oh, it's because it's named the same, isn't it? It's because it's named the same, I bet. Okay. Wait. Where is it? Wait. Yeah, it's because this is probably named the same. What do I do in most scenarios? Opacity, texture, opacity. Okay, so I just dropped the texture word. Okay. I dropped the texture word and everywhere else. So, fair. Okay, let's drop that there and then here. Drop it here as well. Yep, so now it's gone. And now this all still works. Yep. That works. And I can change the channel. Can I change the channel? It's not linear color, is it? That I was, or did I mistype it? Oh, yeah, it helps if I put in the info. The one thing I didn't test. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. So now I can change the channel. Select multiple channels. Awesome. Okay. Now we're good. So I can turn off the blend. So what do we have now? So inside of our blend, we now have the height. Yep. We have the Fresnel. We have the light masks controls already. Yep. There's the light blend stuff. Sub mask we have. The world high gradient. We gotta do. Triplanar we gotta do. Vertex paint.
It's not easy to struggle with substance use,
And
but with
this
that
we won't be able to
opportunity,
do.
It doesn't have to be quite so hard.
I really wish I could expose the blending controls, but I don't think that's going to be possible.
Take it 100 times to find
Okay, well,
reaching out.
nevertheless, that was,
It helps
you know, good progress today.
for everyone.
It was a
So
short
think
stream,
where to
but
start. Find support
I'm pretty
systems
satisfied with
that helps
the
raise your
progress
dot
tonight.
.bc.ca.
So,
A
yeah.
message from the government of
Thank
BC.
you guys for joining me today,
When you
and
serve Sonora Viewdes, you're
we'll
serving a
continue
kava
this
that's
another
rooted in
night.
heritage and
Take care,
tradition,
guys.
with a commitment to
Bye.
artisanal winemaking and sustainability. A cava that is rooted in quality, with grapes only grown in Spain. So the